Hey guys, I'm gonna be presenting I'm Skylar Deaton. I'm gonna be presenting my Photoshop
You already missed it.
projects, and here's my first one. It's titled "You're Gonna Need a Bigger Boat," from the classic line from the classic movie Jaws, in which the shark bites the boat, and that's the face he makes, and he's the focal point of the picture. And so he's the one that's colored. I had no problems with this one at all. And then this one is a PewDiePie one. I'm a big fan of PewDiePie. He's lit, and I colored his headset and his classic cat ears, and it looks pretty good. The only problem I have with this one is when you zoom in, the lights behind him were actually blue, so the blue kind of creeps through up here. But whenever you look at it from here, it looks fine. It looks good. I even got the little mic. I think it looks pretty good. And this one is Trump and Obama. And if you look here, there's Obama. I colored his tie, and I colored Trump's tie. Trump's red, Obama's blue. That's very classic. And then I wrote the classic Trump line, "It's gonna be huge," on there. And it's behind his fingers of him making a tiny thing with his fingers, and it's very funny. I think I actually had to highlight his fingers as well, so the words could slip in behind it, and it looks pretty good. No real troubles, especially in the selecting. Over here, the ties were super easy to select. Came out pretty well. My fourth one is McDonald's. I love McDonald's. It's my favorite restaurant. And then I highlighted the arches, and that's the focal point of the picture. It looks very good. And I added the phrase, "I'm loving it," because that's McDonald's phrase, and I'm loving McDonald's. And so that's number 4. And I didn't have any problems with this one. And number 5 is from a movie called Slow West. It's a really good movie. And in this one, I colored the house because it may look like it's not the focal point of the picture, but in this one, it really is. If you watch the movie, you know. But this one came out. This one was super easy to do. The only problem was I tried to select the antenna as well, but that was way too hard. So I didn't do it. And then my final picture is my personal favorite. It's Silver Linings Playbook, and here it has the numbers on the jersey highlighted in color, and that's the kind of focal point of the picture, and it highlights his love for Bradley Cooper's love for football. And then I have the EAGLES behind him, behind his arm, which I highlighted over here, so I could layered over here, so I could make it go behind him, and because that's his favorite team. And that's my last one. And thank you for watching my video.